Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make hair texture for IMVU. So let's go, let's start our video. So first please like my video and subscribe my channel. Go to photopia.com. If you don't have Photoshop, you can edit hair fibers in photopia.com. Create new project, go create, then you need to filters, then go to render fibers. As you can see, hair fibers, so adjust this according to your requirement. You can also randomize. I think this looks good. Then click on OK. Then go to filters, blur, motion blur. After that you need to click OK. Then create another layer. Then you can also add gradient for hair color like this. Now go to multiply. You can check these settings. So here is our hair texture. You can also make hair texture by selecting this color. I will show you how. Go to render hair fiber and like this. You can also color these hair. Then resize it. If you like my video, please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. In the end, I will show you how to save. You can export files from here. Bye.